Hey everyone, welcome back. If Face ID or Fingerprint login is not working in the Lloyds app, start by checking that biometric authentication is enabled in your phone. Go to your settings app and then search for Face ID and passcode and make sure you've enabled the biometric login in your phone settings. Next, open the Lloyds app and log in using your username and password. Once you're done logging in with your username and password, go to the settings or security section and turn off biometric login. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe the app away, closing it completely, and then wait for a few while and reopen it. Then return to settings and re-enable Face ID or Fingerprint login. Restart your phone and test all these features again. If biometric still does not work, update or reinstall the app and set up biometric from the beginning, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.